welcome back to RC Workshop. So today we have something new for the collection. We have the Lunchbox Mini from Tamiya. Guys, I'm looking forward to this. It looks brilliant. What I'll do is a little unboxing today, but what I plan on doing is a live build video tomorrow. Live, so anything can go wrong with a live video. Plan on making this thing brushless from the beginning. Might put some old school ACOMS radio in it, I don't know. But guys, this thing looks loads of fun. It wheelies forever, just like the other original Lunchbox does. But what really pushed me over the edge to get this one is it's four-wheel drive mini Tamiya Lunchbox. The good thing about it is as well, what I'm planning on doing is putting some drift wheels on it as well. Bit of drifting, who knows, it might drift really nice because this car actually leans to steer. You don't just steer the wheels, the whole car leans. You can set up four-wheel steering as well, so four-wheel steering with drifting might be fun. So what we'll do is a little unboxing on the table down there. See you in a sec. Yeah, let's open this thing up. Right then guys, so here we go. This is actually my first time seeing it as well, so you know, if I don't know what's in there, you know what we got then. No, actually, let's do a bit of box art first. There we go. You do get a painted vehicle in this box already done. Lexan body shell. So all you've got to do is cut it out and put the decals on. That's the optional four-wheel steering part. I think I'm just going to make one of them. Looks really easy. You do need your radio gear, full set of radio gear. You need a servo and a battery as well to make this thing work. It's just a kit. But look at that. Four-wheel drive, guys. Four-wheel drive. There's the chassis, let's say central motor by the looks of it. It looks like you got two diffs inside, I'm not sure. It's going to be loads of fun. Like I say, this thing leans to turn. Be interesting to see what it's like with some drift wheels on, like I say, for a bit of fun. That's enough of the box art. You want to see what's in there just like me. Right, let's line this thing up. There we go. You got manual. Typical Tamiya manual, nice and easy. How many steps have we got in this to officially build it? Because like I say, live build video tomorrow, guys. What we got? 38 steps. How long do you reckon that's going to take me? Can I do a 2-hour live video? Do you want to see a live video? Drop the comment below, guys. Let me know if you want to see this thing in a live video or not. Oh yeah, differential. Looks like diff 1. Is there two diffs? Diff 2? Yeah, two differentials, wicked. These things are proper little four-wheel drive. I reckon 2 hours on this, guys. What do you think? So I've just got to dig out a 340 size brushless system. I think I got one name in the box. Ooh, look at this. No spray work to be done here. It's a shame, because I suppose if you wanted another colour, you're restricted unless you want to spray on the outside of the body shell, which never really turns out too good. Let's scratch this thing up, sand it down, and paint it on the outside, shall we? Yeah, so nice little body shell, Lexan. It does need cutting. The arches look like they've already... Ooh, nice. Arches have already been cut on there. Some wheels, and they are hex as well. So like I say, some drift wheels or some big fat chromes can go straight on there. Tamiya tyres. They look nice actually. Oh look, actually they're really tall. That's different, they're quite tall. I'm not going to actually glue them straight away because I might want some other tyres on these rims. Let's see what else you got. So you got parts tree. That looks like something that holds batteries in, I guess, or bumpers or something. Another parts tree. That looks like the main middle gearbox for this thing. Yeah. What's this? Oh, a jump. You can build a jump out the divider in the box. That's good. Another parts tree. Them look like the arms and the hubs. Yeah, same again. Nothing else in the bottom of there. Shut that back in. Shut that back in. I'm interested to see what's in this bag. Ooh, the heavy bag of the Tamiya. This is my favourite bag. Always. So look. Let's have a smell. Smells good. Yeah, got a little tiny, I think that's 340 size can. Let's look on the box. One sec, guys, hang on. 370. Yeah, I've got a 370 motor as well. Got in there loads of little metal bits, springs, little shocks, body clips. Yep. Servo mounts, gears, more gears. Look at them little diffs. Turnbuckles. Ooh, what's this? Oh, the magnets. Oh, I think the shell is magnet on this instead of clips, which is nice. I thought them were bearings. Where are the bearings? I've heard that the bearings are actually ball race bearings. So look in this bag. Can't find it right now. Oh, look at that little drive shaft. You see that? No way. That's cool. Right, so guys, yeah, like I say, I know we've only got one day to decide. Do you want to see a live build video? I'll live build this. It might be really boring, you never know. How much can you really talk about in a couple of hours whilst building a mini Tamiya model? But I am looking forward to this. Like I say, I've got some drift rims ready. Not going to put them on straight away, but then we'll go on when I actually take this thing out to do its first run. And what I also want to do is power this off a 2S LiPo as well. I'm sure I can squash a 2S LiPo, and they've got tons of different size 2S LiPos in the shed. So anyway, as normal, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow on the live video. Catch you later. See ya.